Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to cut out image in Krita. So if you would like to have only this one object, you need to go to Bezier Curve Selection tool, and now we need to select our object. So I click somewhere here, I click somewhere here, then I click somewhere here, maybe somewhere here, then I click here, I click here. Of course, you should be more precise than me, because it is only tutorial, so I would like to show you the method, how it works. So you need to create a path around the object that you want to cut. And finally, I click on this one dot when I have started this process. So now we can go to select and we need to click on invert selection. Then I go to edit and I go to clear. How you see, background has been successfully removed and object has been successfully cut out from the image. But I will give you one really important tip. If you are creating a path, you can always check this option, auto smooth curve, and if you are creating a path, your path will be automatically rounded, yeah? So it is really important when you have rounded shapes, because it will let you to create a path more easy, yeah? So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And I encourage you to support me from link in description.